Hello everyone, welcome again to MSA Arabic lessons and 1 minute of Egyptian grammar. Today we will explain the difference between the male and female in Egyptian Arabic. And it's like any other Arabic actually. The ha sound at the end. So, if a word has a ha sound at the end, it's a female. This ha sound comes out of the ta marbuta, the letter that comes at the end of female words. For example, قط قطة جميل جميلة قلم ورقة بيت عربية. As you can see, the ha sound at the end, where there is a ha at the end, it will be a feminine word. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in the next lessons. مع السلامة.